Question 5. Answer E of 4 variables and 1 equation. DS. There are 60 students in a class. What is the number of students who take both mathematics and physics? Condition 1. 20 students in the class take mathematics. Condition 2. 40 students in the class take physics. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. You are likely to get E as the answer when the difference between the number of variables and the number of equations from the original condition are 3 or more. The cases in this scenario include when there are 3 variables, or 4 variables and 1 equation, or 4 variables or more, and so on. The answer is likely to be E in each of these cases, as both conditions are likely to give 1 equation each, leaving us short of equations. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the number of students who take both mathematics and physics if there are 60 students in a class. This question is currently the most frequently appearing question type on the GMAT math section. We call this a complementary 2x2 question. We will modify the original condition by filling up the table with variables as shown below. Remember the 2x2. It commonly appears on the exam. Physics. Mathematics, A. Non-mathematics, B. Total, A plus B. Non-physics. Mathematics, C. Non-mathematics, D. Total, C plus D. Total of mathematics and non-mathematics, 60. So, we need to know the value of variable A. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 4 variables, A, B, C, and D, and 1 equation, A plus B plus C plus D equals 60. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 3 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, E would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. Condition 1 tells us that 20 students in the class take mathematics. That is, A plus C equals 20. And condition 2 tells us that 40 students in the class take physics. That is, A plus B equals 40. So, combined, we cannot find the value of A, as we are short 1 equation. Since the answer is not unique, conditions 1 and 2 combined are not sufficient. You should remember the cases where the answer is E. The answer is E if there are 3 or more equations required. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. So, E is the correct answer. Answer: E.